Top 5 best soups for diabetics. Lower blood sugar. Do you know that some soups can do more than just warm you up on a chilly day? What if the right bowl of soup could help you lower your blood sugar and improve your health? Hey there! As the chill in the air returns and sweater weather is upon us, there's nothing quite like a comforting bowl of soup. But did you know that soup can be more than just delicious and warming? With the right ingredients, it can also be a powerful ally in managing diabetes. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best soups for diabetics that aren't just tasty, but are also packed with health benefits. Stick around to find out which ones make the list and why incorporating them into your diet can make a real difference in your blood sugar control. 1. Lentil soup. Let's dive into our first superstar soup, lentil soup. If you're living with diabetes, finding foods that nourish without causing spikes in blood sugar can be a game changer. Lentil soup is one of those foods, and here's why it should be a staple in your kitchen. Lentil soup is packed with fiber and plant-based protein while being low in saturated fat, checked off by Vandana Sheth, a well-known registered dietitian nutritionist and certified diabetes care and education specialist based in Los Angeles. When you think of something hearty yet health-conscious, lentils are the just right choice. They are nutritional powerhouses, providing a satisfying and blood sugar-friendly profile without compromising on taste. A single cup of cooked lentils gives you around 18 grams of protein and an impressive 16 grams of fiber. That fiber is key. It helps slow down digestion and keeps those blood sugar levels more stable after meals. Research highlighted in reputable health journals shows that lentils are particularly effective in managing blood sugars. One study I recently stumbled across found that a 110-gram serving of cooked lentils, roughly a cup's worth, can reduce post-meal blood sugar by up to 20%. That's a significant improvement, right? So when you toss those dried lentils sitting in your pantry into a pot, know that you're not just cooking a meal, but crafting a sustainable way to manage your diabetes. You can make classic instant pot lentil soup, try something a little exotic like red lentil soup with a hint of saffron, or enjoy a vegan lentil soup that's both comforting and oh so good for you. These aren't just recipes, they're tools to better health and nutritional well-being. When you choose lentil soup, you're selecting a heart-friendly dish that aligns well with diabetes management. Many studies have shown that diets low in saturated fat and high in fiber can reduce cardiovascular risks, a crucial consideration given the close connection between heart disease and diabetes. So next time the weather cools down and you crave something satisfying, remember the humble lentil soup. With its nutrient-rich ingredients, it's your cozy, nourishing armor in the battle for better blood sugar control. Let's take these small, delicious steps together toward a healthier and sweeter life, without worrying too much about that blood sugar spike. Stay tuned for the next soup option that's equally delectable and diabetes-friendly. 2. Minestrone soup. Next up on our list is minestrone soup, a vibrant and nutrient-packed dish that deserves a spot on your menu if you're living with diabetes. Let's talk about why this classic Italian soup could be your go-to meal for managing blood sugar while still enjoying a hearty bowl of comfort. Jessica DeGore, a registered dietitian and certified diabetes care specialist, points out the unique benefits of minestrone soup. High in fiber, brimming with various veggies, and rich in plant-based protein, minestrone soup is a nutritional jackpot. It's like eating a garden of health in each bowl, and it's surprisingly effective for blood sugar management. One of the key highlights of minestrone is its abundance of non-starchy vegetables. Whether you're struggling to meet your daily intake of greens or just want something that's thoroughly satisfying, a cup or bowl of this soup can significantly boost your vegetable count. We all know how essential fiber is to our diet, particularly for those with diabetes. Fiber not only aids digestion, but also slows the absorption of sugar, helping to maintain more stable blood sugar levels. Now you might be wondering about the carbs from the pasta in traditional minestrone. Don't worry. Jessica DeGore suggests opting for whole wheat pasta for that extra fiber punch, or swapping it out entirely for other wholesome grains like farro. Whole grains are a great alternative, offering further nutritional benefits without spiking your blood sugar. Minestrone soup is not just diverse, it's also adaptable. You can easily tweak it to your liking or dietary needs. Try recipes like slow cooker vegetable minestrone soup or vegan minestrone soup, which are both delicious and satisfying. One of the joys of minestrone is that it can simmer to perfection over a lazy afternoon, filling your home with warmth and the promise of wellness. According to studies from credible health sources like Harvard Health and Mayo Clinic, incorporating more vegetables and whole grains into your diet can substantially decrease cardiovascular risk factors, which is crucial given the intertwined relationship between diabetes and heart health. Imagine curling up with a bowl of warm, flavorful minestrone on a chilly evening, knowing that each spoonful is doing wonders for your body. You're not just eating soup, you're investing in your health, making choices that align with your goals for better blood sugar management. So why not make minestrone soup a regular part of your meal rotation? Let it fill you with the nutrients you need and the flavors you crave while taking one more step towards a healthier life. Hang tight, because the next option in our lineup might just surprise you with its delightful taste and health benefits. 3. Chili. Let's dive into a classic, can't-miss fall favorite, chili. And yes, it can be your ally in managing diabetes too. When you think of comforting meals that bring everyone together, chili often tops the list. It's a staple at football tailgates and cozy family dinners. But did you know, with the right ingredients, chili can be a powerful dish for keeping your blood sugar in check? Alyssa Pacheco, a renowned registered dietitian and owner of the PCOS Nutritionist, recommends optimizing your chili by bulking it up with a variety of vegetables which add fiber and choosing leaner meats like chicken or turkey. This switch can significantly reduce the saturated fat content, making each spoonful not only healthier, but equally delicious. White chicken chili is a marvelous choice, often lauded for its rich flavor and nutritional profile. Thanks to its hearty combination of chicken and beans, this chili is loaded with protein and fiber, essentials for stabilizing blood sugar levels. Feeling full and satisfied without those unwanted spikes in sugar? Yes, please. If you're curious, try a recipe like creamy white chili with cream cheese, which employs mashed beans for a creamy consistency without the added fat. Vegetable chili is another fan favorite recommended by Vandana Sheth. This version skips the meat in favor of an assortment of beans and veggies boasting plant protein and fiber. Without relying on meat, vegetable chili still serves up a satisfying diabetes-friendly meal that won't compromise on taste or nutritional value. One delightful recipe to consider is vegetarian butternut squash chili with black beans, a dish filled with autumn flavors. Even if you're more of a classic chili lover, healthy tweaks like opting for turkey instead of beef can significantly enhance the dish's benefits. Turkey offers a lean protein option that pairs perfectly with traditional spices and beans. The high-protein turkey chili option not only supports balanced blood sugars, but also keeps you delightfully full for longer. Chili often serves as both comfort food and a nutritional powerhouse. According to articles from Harvard Health, increasing your intake of fiber and reducing saturated fat can positively influence both diabetes management and heart health. By swapping out certain ingredients, you're able to enjoy chili that aligns with your health goals, all while savoring its rich, comforting flavors. Each spoonful of chili can do more than warm you up. It's part of a broader strategy to manage your health effectively. So, next game day or chili evening, stir up a pot of your preferred diabetes-friendly chili. Remember, you're choosing to embrace wholesome ingredients that contribute to a vibrant life with more balanced blood sugar levels. And keep your taste buds ready, because the next soup we'll explore is yet another nutritious delight that helps you in your journey toward better health. Before we continue the video, can I ask you a question? If you found these tips helpful, please hit subscribe so you can stay updated with more practical advice and insights for managing diabetes effectively every day. We really want to help you. 4. Pureed vegetable soup. Let's talk about a wonderfully simple yet nutritious option, pureed vegetable soup. If you've got some veggies hanging out in the fridge that are asking to be used, this soup is your next best friend. It's incredibly versatile, not to mention a lifesaver for diabetes management. From broccoli and tomatoes to carrots, pureed vegetable soups are loaded with fiber, which is essential for managing those blood sugar levels. Fiber helps slow down the digestion process, allowing for a steady release of glucose into the bloodstream instead of a sharp spike. These soups are also rich in antioxidants, which are known for their inflammation-fighting properties. Why is this important? Research from reputable sources such as the American Diabetes Association highlights the benefits of antioxidants in combating inflammation, which is a crucial factor for those managing diabetes. Plus, many of these soups tend to be lower in carbs compared to their chunky soup counterparts, an added bonus for keeping blood sugar levels on point. One of the great things about pureed vegetable soups is that they're brimming with vitamins like A and C, both of which are nod-worthy for their roles in supporting immune health. So, not only are you tackling blood sugar stability, but you're also bolstering your immune system, which we can all appreciate, especially during cold and flu seasons. Imagine unlocking the flavors of roasted carrots, velvety cauliflower, or the tangy zest of tomatoes. All you need is a trusty immersion blender to whip these into a creamy, satisfying soup. Interested in trying one out? Some delightful recipes include our roasted carrot soup, cauliflower soup, sheet pan tomato soup, or even a Persian-style butternut squash soup. They're packed with goodness and perfect for a cozy night in. Pureed vegetable soups are not just easy to make, they transform simple ingredients into a gourmet experience right at home. It's all about turning those ordinary vegetables into an extraordinary meal, one that loves your body back by supporting your health goals. Each spoonful is like a hug in a bowl, offering a blend of nutrients, flavors, and textures that can help you take control over your health journey. As articles from Mayo Clinic suggest, incorporating a variety of vegetables into your diet can significantly boost your nutrient intake without extra calories or sugars. So before you toss those leftover veggies, think about turning them into a delicious soup that loves your body as much as you love its taste. Stick around because we have one more soup to explore, and it's as exciting and healthy as this one. 5. Chicken soup. Last but definitely not least is a timeless comfort food that many of us associate with warmth and healing. Chicken soup. Beyond its cozy vibes, chicken soup offers a bounty of nutrients and is surprisingly friendly to those managing diabetes. Gina Jones, a respected registered dietitian nutritionist and owner of Gina Jones Nutrition, highlights the importance of using bone broth when making your chicken soup. This addition not only boosts the flavor, but also enhances the soup with extra protein, vitamins, and minerals, a true nutrient powerhouse. Protein is especially important here because it helps with satiety, meaning you feel full longer, which can assist in maintaining stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. When considering the numerous versions of chicken soup, chicken vegetable soup takes the crown for diabetes management. In this variety, the protein from the chicken and broth plays a crucial role in blood sugar regulation. Meanwhile, non-starchy vegetables like carrots, leafy greens, and celery pack the soup with additional nutrients and fiber. This fiber is the secret weapon, curbing cravings and providing satiety that avoids those pesky sugar spikes. Let's entertain our senses with recipe ideas like instant pot chicken soup with root vegetables and barley, or an easy chicken soup with tortilla crisps. These recipes aren't just tempting, they're designed to elevate your meal to a healthful delight while perfectly aligning with your dietary goals. According to insights from reputable sources such as Johns Hopkins Medicine, consuming a diet rich in low-carb, high-fiber foods is beneficial for maintaining blood sugar levels and reducing cravings. Chicken soup, when made thoughtfully, fits this profile beautifully. Adding non-starchy vegetables and optimizing protein content makes it not just a meal, but a tool in your diabetes management arsenal. Imagine coming home after a long day and ladling a steaming bowl of chicken soup, feeling the aromatic herbs and savory broth warm your heart and health. Each ingredient works harmoniously to nourish your body and support your efforts in managing diabetes effectively. Moreover, the customizable nature of chicken soup allows you to adapt it to your taste preferences, ensuring that it becomes a regular, enjoyable part of your meal plan. Remember, it's not just about the nutrients. It's about a soup that you enjoy, ensuring consistency in your healthy eating habits. Navigating through the world of soups to find the right ones for managing diabetes doesn't have to be tricky. With these practical tips, you can enjoy delicious bowls while supporting healthy blood sugar levels and maybe even boosting your hydration. First, let's consider the ingredients. Instead of just focusing on calories or carbs, think about building a balanced bowl. This means looking for soups that include a lean protein source like chicken or beans, a medley of vegetables such as carrots, onions, and greens, and a hearty whole-grain carbohydrate like brown rice, quinoa, or farro. This combination not only nourishes your body, but also aligns with diabetes-friendly goals by balancing nutrients. Adding fiber is another game changer. Fiber-rich soups make you feel fuller longer because they slow down digestion, allowing glucose to be absorbed more gradually. Not to mention, fiber supports a healthy gut microbiome, which is crucial for maintaining a strong immune system. When selecting soups, go for recipes with plenty of vegetables or legumes. If you're starting with canned soup, consider boosting its fiber content by tossing in extra veggies or beans while heating. Keeping an eye on sodium levels is vital as soups, especially canned or fast food varieties, can be laden with salt. Aim for options labeled as low sodium or no salt added. If you're crafting homemade soups, using low sodium broth and limiting added salt will contribute to a heart-healthy meal. If lower sodium options aren't available, try to balance your overall sodium intake throughout the day. Embrace the chill of the cooler months by warming up with a delicious pot of soup. More than just a heartwarming meal, soup is your multitasking partner in achieving key health goals like staying hydrated, increasing vegetable intake, and meeting your daily fiber needs. Packed with essential nutrients and low in carbs and saturated fats, these soups can be crucial allies in diabetes management. Their rich content of protein and fiber ensures you're doing right by your body while providing immune-boosting nutrients like vitamins A and C to help fend off the cold season bugs. As you get out your stock pot and start cooking, remember that each of these top 5 soups brings its own unique benefits to the table, helping to lower blood sugar and support a healthier lifestyle. So why not make these delicious soups a part of your regular meal rotation? If you're looking to keep your diabetes in check while enjoying delicious meals, check out our cooking channel just for you. We share tasty, diabetes-friendly recipes that make healthy eating easy and fun. Don't miss it. Head over now and start cooking with us. We will leave the channel link at the description. And if you found these soup tips helpful or have your own favorite recipe, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more health-boosting recipes and tips. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more inspiring ways to take control of your health, one tasty bite at a time. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.